Effort feels productive. It feels responsible. It feels like you're doing something. But reality does not respond to your effort. It responds to your authority. And before that word gets misunderstood, let's define it clearly. Authority in manifestation is not control over other people. It is not force. It is not dominance. Authority is internal finality. It is the absence of negotiation. When you are in effort, you are attempting. When you are in authority, you are decided. That difference changes everything. Most people try to manifest from effort. They refine techniques, repeat affirmations, increase visualization, monitor their emotions. But underneath all of that movement is one quiet message. This isn't secure yet. Effort is activity driven by uncertainty. Authority is stillness driven by decision. Let me give you an example. Think about something in your life that you are absolutely certain about, not hopeful about, not working toward. Certain. Maybe it's your name. Maybe it's where you live. Maybe it's your date of birth. You don't wake up every morning affirming it. You don't rehearse it. You don't check to see if it's still true. You don't emotionally intensify it to keep it stable. Why? Because it's decided. There is no internal argument around it. That is authority. It's quiet. It's stable. It's not dramatic. Now compare that to something you want, but feel unsure about. Notice the difference in your body. There's tension. There's management. There's checking. There's subtle effort. That is not authority. The manifesting state is the state of internal finality. It is when something moves from I hope to I have concluded. Authority means you are no longer trying to convince yourself. You are no longer trying to improve the outcome. You are no longer trying to make reality cooperate. You have stopped negotiating internally. And when negotiation stops, stabilization begins. Effort tries to produce change. Authority assumes change is inevitable. Effort watches. Authority moves forward. Effort monitors circumstances. Authority defines them. This is why effort exhausts people, because effort requires maintenance. You must keep believing, keep reinforcing, keep correcting doubt. Authority requires nothing, because authority does not defend its position, it rests in it. And resting is not passivity. It is certainty without strain. When you occupy that position, your nervous system shifts. You stop bracing. You stop scanning. You stop trying to hold the state, because you are no longer trying to enter the manifesting state. You are living from it. And once you live from it, manifestation stops feeling like work. It becomes a byproduct of who you are. Effort doesn't move reality. Authority does. And authority is simply the decision you refuse to reopen, subscribe, and enter your manifesting state.